UNISWAP cost is somewhere near 8% in the present exchanging meeting. The forceful downtrend is a continuation of the beyond couple of days, long stretches of time that UNISWAP has been on a negative pattern. Starting from the beginning of 2022, UNISWAP has lost 70% of its worth. This is in accordance with most digital forms of money, whose costs have dropped by more than 40% this year. Notwithstanding, dissimilar to other digital currencies, UNISWAP is one of the most famous stages and cryptographic forms of money in presence. Today, it positions as the 24th biggest digital currency, with a market capitalization of $3.5 billion. UNISWAP is likewise one of the biggest mechanized market producers and a trailblazer in the business. Automakers can offer digital currency fans various matches to exchange. The costs of these matches are set utilizing extraordinary computations. When a cost is set, the exchanges are executed utilizing brilliant agreements. This is accomplished using liquidity pools, where the assets are drawn during the exchanging system. UNISWAP is likewise both a decentralized trade and a digital currency. The decentralization trade of UNISWAP permits them to utilize distributed techniques to trade digital currency matches without the utilization of an incorporated framework. The UNISWAP administering token is its digital money. The digital currency's prosperity is generally attached to the stage's prosperity, and since the send-off of the task, cost gains have been incompletely determined by the development of the UNISWAP stage. UNISWAP price prediction. Throughout recent months, UNISWAP has been exchanging inside a sliding channel. In the present exchanging meeting, the costs have dropped by more than 8%. This is in spite of the costs being in a 4 successive days sideways market. The costs have likewise as of late contacted the upper pattern line of the sliding channel. Consequently, utilizing the diagram underneath, I anticipate that the cost should drop, with a high probability of hitting the lower pattern line of the channel. Almost certainly, the costs will tumble from the ongoing cost of $5 and exchange beneath the $4 cost level. In any case, assuming the costs exchange above $5.5 toward the finish of the present exchanging meeting, then my examination will be nullified. It will likewise mean the costs are probably going to keep exchanging sideways for years to come. On May 20th, the cost of UNISWAP remained at $5.19 at the end of the everyday exchanging meeting, which comprises a 6.86% contrast when contrasted with the ongoing value. A week prior, on May 14th, the UNISWAP market remained at $5.12 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members. As the outcome, the cost moved by 0% according to its current standing. When it comes to digital forms of money, market capitalization serves more as a sign of the coin's portion or strength, in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its general notoriety with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers. Numerous cryptographic money merchants view market capitalization as a vital pointer to be considered prior to pursuing exchanging choices. It is determined by duplicating the complete number of coins that are as of now available for use, flowing inventory, by the ongoing cost of UNISWAP, which, as currently referenced, by and by remains at $5.33. Considering that recipe, we have determined the ongoing business sector capitalization of UNISWAP to be at $3,831,938,833, which legitimizes its place as the 23rd coin among those present on the cryptographic money market. Yesterday, on May 20th, the market capitalization of UNISWAP remained at $3,729,749,469. Last week, on May 4th, as previously made sense of, the coursing supply is the most regularly involved measurement for deciding a market capitalization of a digital money being referred to. It compares with the best guess of the general number of coins that are public on digital money trades and add to their liquidity. Their volume does exclude the coins that are vested, marked in brilliant agreements, secured in computerized wallets, or put unavailable for general use. The coursing supply is fundamentally what could be compared to the drifting stockpile of offers in the financial exchange. At this moment, the coursing supply of UNISWAP is assessed at 718,822,294 unit. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with the UNISWAP market added up to $125,209,966. Yesterday, on May 20th, the normal volume at the end of the exchanging meeting added up to $157,247,464. A week prior, on May 14th, the force of UNISWAP exchanging all through the meeting came to $236,335,969. According to the most recent information assembled, the ongoing cost of UNISWAP is $5.30 and unit is at present positioned number in the whole crypto biological system. The flow supply of UNISWAP is 718,822,294 with a market cap of $3,809,966,583. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the UNISWAP's cost has shown a decent increment of 5.32% as of now. From most recent 7 days the UNI was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 5.77%. UNISWAP has shown areas of strength for exceptionally of late and this could be decent and open door to dive right in and contribute. Within the most recent 1 month, the cost of UNI diminished by 51.014%, dispensing with an incredible typical amount of $5.52 from its ongoing worth. This unexpected down implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it tends to be a decent purchase, a potential open door for speedy speculation. The 90 days cost change is near 65.13% and the cost coursed from a base typical cost of $14.17 to greatest normal cost of $15.51 in the beyond 90 days. UNISWAP is somewhere near 74.54% with the most extreme typical cost of the coin was around $24.98 and the base typical value of was around $23.84 in beyond 4 months. We anticipate future UNISWAP cost expectations unit figure by applying profound computerized reasoning helped specialized analysis on the past value information of UNISWAP. We put forth a valiant effort to gather greatest authentic information for the UNI coin which incorporate various boundaries like past value, UNISWAP market cap, UNISWAP volume and hardly any more. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into computerized digital currencies and need great profit from your speculations, make a point to peruse our forecasts. UNISWAP price prediction 2022. According to our profound, specialized examination on past value information of UNI, in 2022